Hey, what's going on? This is Kritik here, and I was thinking I haven't done any home screen setup videos in a long time, and so this video you're watching right now is exactly that. This is home screen setup, what you can call it. Let's say V2.0. So this is the setup which we're going to achieve at the end of this video. So in case you're not interested in it or you don't like it, you can stop watching this video right now. Save some time for yourself. I'll wait just for a second. So if you remember, this is the same setup which I used in my previous video. In case you haven't seen it yet, here's a card to it, and I'll also leave a link to it in the description. So when I was making this setup, I wanted two things from it. One, it should be clean, and second, it should have a lot of breathing space or empty space on the screen, mainly because I use a lot of gestures, and the result turned out to be pretty good. So the first app which you're gonna need is Nova Launcher Prime. You can try out the free version first in case you don't want to spend money on it, and after you're done installing it, first set it as a default home screen and then clear whatever is there on your home screen. And once you have an empty home screen, move on to the Nova settings and select desktop. Here, change the desktop grid size to 9:6 and enable subgrid positioning. Then change the icon size to 110% and disable label. Then go down and disable page indicator too. Then go back and select app and widget drawers. Here again, change the icon size to 110%. Then go down and enable swipe to open and disable swipe indicator. Set the background color to black with around 30% transparency. You can play around with the transparency, like if you want completely black, you can use zero transparency. But I would suggest you to go with 30% because I found it to be perfect for this setup. Then set the scroll accent color to white. And then go back, select dock and disable it. Now for those clean and minimal looking white icons, I have used Min Icon Pack, so go to the Play Store and install it. Then go back to Nova settings and select look and feel and set the icon theme to min, and then scroll down and disable notification bar. And I guess that's pretty much everything you need to change in the Nova settings. So come back to your home screen. Now the wallpaper which I'm using here is the one which I found in backdrops. I really liked it and it was going very well with the setup, so I'll leave a link to the app in the description, and I'll also leave the Google Drive link of the wallpaper, so in case if you want you can grab it directly from there. For the widget, I just went with the stock Pixel widget, you can call it that I guess, as it first came with the Pixel 2 phones. And to get this widget, I used this app called Just Another Widget. It's again free and I'll leave a link to it in the description. Now for the arrangement of apps on the home screen, I went with this 2 rows of apps kind of setup with 3 apps in each row, just like this. I like it this way, but obviously you can change it according to your preference. After all, it's your own home screen. And so I guess that's it. For me, this setup is clean and it looks really good, and that's why I wanted to show it to you in this video. So if you like the setup, if you enjoyed watching this video, leave a like, and also I'll be making more of this kind of videos and many other videos in the future, so if you don't want to miss any of them, I guess subscribing to this channel and pressing the bell icon right now would be a great idea. Think about it. Also feel free to share it with your friends if you want to, and if you have any doubts regarding this setup, do leave a comment and I'll definitely try to help you out. And I guess that's it. So thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. And I don't have anything else to say. Yes, I don't have anything else to say.